everyone. This is our project Talk2MDB Natural Language Interface for Databases. Our name is Team Semantic Duo and we are Abhay Shinde and Siddharth Shirke. We have developed a natural language interface to talk to databases for MongoNL, a NLP interface for databases like MongoDB. So let's work through the whole workflow of this website or project. So first of all, you have to log in and then open the connector. You have to copy your connection string and paste it here. When you paste your string, you have to submit it. Soon the connection with your cluster will be established and all the databases will be visible in the side pane on left side. You can select whatever database you want to interact with. As soon as you select a database, it will show all the collections in that database, and then you have to select whether you want to just query about the database or you want to edit the database. So let's choose a database and try querying it first. Uh, let's see what all columns and rows are present in this database. So this is the whole table for the database. It contains all the required columns in the database. As you scroll on your right, you can see all the rows that are present. Let us go the right. So this is the genre row. Let's do one thing. Let's select a genre and search how many movies related to that genre are present in this table. Okay, let's first fully check. Let's fetch the title of all the movies with the genre action. Show title with genre as action. Let's see what it returns. So it has returned the movie ID and title of all the movies that have action as the genre. Now let's try editing the diagonal picture present already in our chat. When you type a query that show all the users, you can click the diagonal button and check how the query was exactly executed so that you can get a deeper understanding of how our product already actually works. You can check whatever steps have been performed by the product. Here, Mongo Edit option. The Mongo Edit option allows the user to update, insert, or delete any of the documents that you want to delete. So there are two ways of editing your document. First one is the manual change and second one is the query dynamic change. Let's check out the manual change. In the manual change, you can enter the values manually and insert, update or delete a particular document, whatever you want. And the second way is to query the database dynamically and change things changes dynamically to the database by querying. First, let's add some document. Add a document with name John Doe. First of all, you have to confirm whether you want to add the document and then you have to commit it to MongoDB. And when you commit it to MongoDB, then you can check in the MongoDB cluster that the document has been updated. Let's find the document in the name we insert. There you go. You can see the name has been inserted into the collection users in database NLP document. We will update the name John Doe with Rahul Desai and let's add it and commit it to MongoDB. Now the changes are live on your MongoDB console. Let's check the changes on our MongoDB console. Let's check Rahul Desai. As you can see, Rahul Desai is now updated and you can't find John Doe. Let's check John Doe. John Doe is not present anymore and it has been updated to Rahul Desai. Deleting a document. Let's try delete the document with name Rahul Desai and let's add it and commit it to MongoDB. The changes are now live on the MongoDB cluster. Now let's check Rahul Desai. As you can see, there is no documents named Rahul Desai anymore. Rahul Desai has been deleted as a document from the DB and the collection. On the dashboard, you can check what queries and what commits have been committed in the particular database you have been working on right now. And you can also switch the databases as you require. You can also switch the timeline to check out what queries have been committed in the last 1 hour. And you can also check out what commits have been committed in the last 1 hour. It will show you all the diagnosis and the analytics for it on this dashboard. The diagnoses are visible below. Thank you.